Guys, today we're going to be looking at some crocodiles here, traveling Costa Rica, right outside of Jaco. We're here on New Year's Day. This is going to be cool. This is the road here. We're going to be walking down to the Crocodile Bridge. Probably we'll check out this area first. So guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, and leave me a comment, as always, with your thoughts about this video, requests. There's Willie. I just met Willie. He watches the car. Nice guy there, Willie. Give Willie a couple bucks. He'll give you some instructions when you get here. And watch your car. Watch. He's nice though. Willie's nice, man. It's cool. So guys, we're down here at the Crocodile Bridge. Let's talk first about how to get here. You'll probably be starting your vacation in San Jose at the airport, right there near Alajuela, and head out towards the west. You'll go through all these little towns here, Orotina, and then turn. And what you'll see here is the Tárcoles River, which will bring you at the Crocodile Bridge. And guys, you can see it's pretty busy. Look at all the people out. The police there, they got pylons here probably to make sure people slow down a bit, so people aren't whipping through while everybody's trying to walk over to the bridge. It's pretty cool. So there's the road going back up towards Punta Arenas and San Jose. So guys, on the channel, if you check under wildlife, this video will be under the wildlife playlist. We've got all the playlists here, guys. You can go through our moto tour. There's the wildlife and jungle, hotels and resorts, as well as Punta Arenas province, which this video will be in. So check the channel for all that, guys. So here is a bunch of souvenir shops. There's a Pops over there. There's a coffee shop over there too that I get coffee at on occasion when I'm coming through. Oh, there's a buffet. Cool. I dig it. Look at all this stuff, man. Guys, we just did last night, a video in Jaco. So check that out, a night walk here in Jaco. There's a nice big towel. If you, if you put the towels on your walls and stuff like that, if you're that kind of person, man, this is your spot, it looks like, isn't it? This is a cool souvenir shop. Cool. So here's all the tour buses. So I've probably seen like 4 or 5 tour buses roll in. All the tour guides showing people everything. You can see it gets kind of spicy down here, man. It gets kind of spicy. What's all this? Cool souvenirs. What are these supposed to be? Carrots or something? I don't know what those are. They look big. Oh, cool. Gemstones and magic stuff. All right. And there's some miniature flags, rugs. I don't know what those are. Towels. I like them though. I like them. They're looking good, man. They're looking good. So guys, most of the crocodiles I think are on that side. We're gonna go over to that side. We'll walk down this side right now because I'm kind of over here anyway. I'm all about efficiency. I just walked down here just to see if there's any crocodiles, and there are in fact crocos out. Most of them are over on the right though, but there is one over here we'll come say hi to. Have a look-ski. So this road going down further, it's probably like 20 minutes and you'll be in Jaco. And then further on yonder from that, you'd be into Capos, Manuel Antonio, and then Dominical, and then Uvita, and then Palmar Norte, and then the country of Panama, essentially. So cool view out here. Very cool view. So this is the Tárcoles River. See, it's in fact a river. It is in fact flowing. There's a lot of like waterways in Costa Rica that dry up in the dry season, but this one stays pretty full, and that's probably why the crocs are there. So where is this guy? Oh yeah, there he is. Let's look at him. I'm gonna try to not drop my phone. There's one sitting right there. Very cool. I like the like the snout is like narrow, right? He's cute. Actually, I don't know. If I was a crocodile, would I want to be called cute? I don't think I would be. I think I'd rather be called ugly. All right, what's going on over here now? Oh, there's a big one. Okay, there's a big guy. There you go. He's moving. Oh, yeah, yeah. Got some action going on here. Just so slow. It reminds me of me. That's why I don't like him. What's going on over there? Is that one got his mouth open? What? I think the phone's got better zoom than I do on my eyes. Yep. I think. Looks like it. Let's go get a different angle of that guy. I don't know what that's supposed to be. So now it's funny, sometimes there's like cows over there. And I'm like, I don't know. I guess they just don't get eaten. So guys, if you come here with little kids, just like, I'd put them on a leash, man, because look at this. Look at the gap, right? Okay, there's like 3 I can see there. So there's one. He's mouth bathing, dude. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Maybe he's like courting. That's how I court actually as well. I just hold my mouth open and sit there. Is that a crocodile? Yep, that's a crocodile. And then there's 2 more over there. Maybe? I think those are crocodiles. There's a cool bird. What kind of bird is that? He's just looking at us, calling us stupid, that bird. That's one of those smart birds. Look at all the traffic here. Doesn't look like there's any Crocs over on this side. There's one right there. Cool, he looks like a big honker. And Buddy's still just doing that thing. Oh, look, he's got his tail ripped off too. Oh, that's crazy. Look at this guy. Let's zoom in a little bit more. That's an interesting crocodile. I don't know if he's dead or what. He has definitely got his tail bitten off. That's crazy. He's just pissed. He's pissed. He's only got half a tail. He's just angry. He's an amputee over that one. All right, guys. So thank you for joining this tour here at the Crocodile Bridge in Punta Arenas province on the main highway heading north and south on the Pacific coast here in south of Costa Rica. As always, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests about this video or others that you want me to do. Hope to see you soon here on your vacation in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.